What's up, guys? It's February 28th, 2025. Thought the market cycle was really cool these last 2 days. Had the breakout, channel phase, trading range, failed breakout here, and then a failed breakout is a reversal. So, breakout, pullback, channel, or trend higher for the end of the day. Had tradable legs in both directions. Looking forward to next month. I got a nice Apex account. I'm gonna be streaming it every day. I got I got a YouTube membership coming out that's gonna have some in-depth videos. Everything's gonna be in depth about trading psychology and how to use trading psychology with price action. So how they're gonna overlap. Talk about the breakouts, talk about psychology, and I think it's gonna be pretty fun. Here's another trading range. I have a breakout, deep pullback, channel lower. Now, so actually, there's two things going on here. I have the breakout, channel fit, so breakout. So we're trending. Opposite bars equals channel, and we channel lower into another trading range here. Failed breakout, reversal. So a reversal is a breakout. First pullback, leg one, pullback leg two. So leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three, pullback right there. That's 3 legs higher after the third leg is trading range behavior, and bang. Now we see that trading range behavior again. So the market cycle really repeats itself. It breakout, channel, trading range, and with the market cycle repeating itself, it means our psychology also repeats itself. That means, like, if you have trouble seeing through pullbacks, if then you know, okay, hey, I need to be prepared to reinforce. So if you're trading breakout and you think it's a strong breakout, it's gonna get second leg, but then you have a hard time seeing through the pullback, you know this problem's gonna keep happening over and over again, and then you can start to combat your psychology with different angles. And I don't want to get into too much psychology, but I just finished taking the Randy. Well, I have one more class left, but I learned a lot about psychology the last couple months, so I want to pass that on in the videos. But it'll be more on the membership side. I'm still going to do the daily breakdowns here and all that stuff. Nothing's going to change really. So yeah, market cycle. We're here. Bottom of a trading range. This looks like a really nice reversal bar. I was looking at it earlier today, just like staring at this chart. 2 seconds here. I was just staring at this chart. I was like, man, this is a tricky spot because we're at the bottom of a trading range. This looks like a good reversal bar for a leg one deep pullback, like leg one deep pullback, leg two. The problem is we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bear bars. 6 bear bars with a gap here that got tested, and a climactic leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. There's a pullback here, but it doesn't break a new high. It's a higher low after this pullback. And then, so this is the first reversal after 6 bear bars. That is a tricky spot to me because first reversals get sold. Maybe it sells off, reverses because we're at trading range lows now. Or maybe the second leg fails and becomes a rally. Or maybe this is a first reversal and we get a complete measured move all the way down. That'd be interesting. I mean, anything can happen really. I think they're all plausible. We are at the bottom of trading range, so this could be a better buy. We are extended away from the EMA. Extended away from the EMA, rallied back, extended, rallied. But 6 bear bars, first reversals fail. So where are we? We don't really know. But that's okay because we trade the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is all we need. Is this the weekly chart? Huh. We've never really looked at the weekly chart. Leg one, pullback, leg two. Wow, crazy rallies. Crazy rally. So look, we've had leg one, new high, pullback, leg two, new high, pullback, leg three, new high, pullback, and now we're getting lower high. We're getting, excuse me, higher lows on the weekly. What is this level here? Last December, the high was 61.84, and this is 61, 62, 84 minus 62 is a number that probably something like 14. I don't know, but there's about a 10, 15 point difference from the high and the swing high here. Here we are on the 15-minute chart. Let me go back to the daily. So daily chart, 15-minute chart. This line is that line, just to keep the reference going. Today we had a sell-off. We can see multiple legs lower with yesterday's price action. So leg one, pullback. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Could say leg one, pullback, leg two, second leg trap at bottom of the trading range. Could say leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. Higher low for the bulls, and then end of the day rally. That looks really nice on the 15-minute chart. So this is leg one, pullback, leg two. And I'll go deep into leg counting too in the membership. So I'm pretty excited to do that because there's a lot of nuance going on with leg counting. Not a lot of nuance. It's actually repetitive, but it's just see it from a repetitive way. It takes a little bit of time and a little bit of talk to talk through and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna increase our. It's gonna make us better day traders. I want people to really like make money by watching my videos. So let me know what you guys are doing. And yeah, let's do this breakdown. So this is yes. Oh yeah, bar one's down here. So yesterday we had a sell-off. End of the day sell-off. We were trading range for most of the day. End of the day sell-off. Sell, rally. So 2-bar reversal, failed breakout is a form of a breakout. 2-bar reversal, bar 3 being followed through. Bar 4 is a pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. After leg 2 is trading range behavior. You could say the breakout above the EMA resets the leg count. Man, I got something stuck in my throat. Okay, so you could say bar 11 resets the leg count. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Or excuse me, bar 11 doesn't reset it. It would be bar 9 because this is the first bar breaking out. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Trading range here. Starts to break out 8, 9. Deep pullback, trading range behavior, bar 10. This is also the first gap bar. It usually gets sold. This was good. So bears that short. This made 1 hour before bulls. That's interesting. So you already know it's not the strongest. Excuse me, bull trend. It's not the strongest bull trend because bears made 1 hour shorting this previous swing here. So yeah, 3-leg rally, reversal, breakout, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Strong bear leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bear bars. That's interesting. So we have 6 bear bars here and 6 bear bars on the daily. There's a micro channel. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Still struggling to get second leg down, but we have a big rally here. So now it's gonna be harder for the bears to get second leg down. One second, I'm gonna clear my throat here, guys. Okay, yeah, I had something stuck in it. I don't know. So 6 bear bars trying to get second leg down, but deep pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, second leg chop, 34 for the bulls, double top, bear flag, double top. 35 is you could say it's a low 2, but 29 being a low 1. Leg 1 pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Trading range behavior breaks out 39, 40, starting resetting the mark cycle, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, sideways, pullback, leg 3. Failed breakout 48, 47, bad follow through. Now actually it's not bad follow through. It's but you see how this bear, so the people who bought this, it was either bears taking profits or bulls buying the close because of limit order. They're trapped here. The market rallied on 43 here, which is the low. So and I'm talking about this tail because that's not good that there's a tail. That's saying that bulls were willing to buy bar 46. It rallied before it sold. And when it did sell, it didn't really make a new low. So bears that shorted 47 had time to get out and buy back shorts without getting trapped. Does that make sense? So like bears short here, and then they have the close of here gives them pretty much a break even exit. So they buy back shorts because bulls rallied and bears didn't even sell off. They sat in here for 5 minutes. If it's a good breakout, does it take 5 minutes to make a point? They didn't make a point, so they bought back shorts. bulls buy range lows, covering themselves, get a 3-bar rally. I think this is a nice looking 3-bar rally. Deep pullback testing the midpoint here. And then bulls are off to the races. Leg 1, deep pullback. Leg 2, pullback. That's a bad count. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3, pullback. Okay, excuse me. Leg 1, pullback. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. So there's a fractal leg 2. So you can say leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Trading range behavior breaks out 62. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, sideways. Then we get a strong breakout EOD. And you could count it like this instead. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Different ways to count it, but you got to look at every time there was 3 pushes, we went sideways. So push 1, pull back, push 2, pull back, push 3. Small sideways price action. This is actually a bull flag. I think it's a bear breakout. This is a triangle on a smaller time frame, so it's 5 pushes. Breakout mode. It's breakout mode. And then breaks out to the bear side. Reverses, bulls buy the 50% at bar 48. And they start the rally. They get a good rally from 60 to 64. First pullback is shallow. First reversals fail, 50-65. 3 bars up. Deep pullback. This is not a deep pullback, but it just was deep enough for these 3 bars to get retested. 72, rally, 2-bar reversal, 73. Why is 73 a bad short? Well, you could try and short, but you have to get out. 74, it's not the worst, but look at this. Look at this rally right here. You're shorting against this rally, shorting against higher lows. The morning had a rally. Bar 1 was a bull bar. 73 is not the best short if you're looking for the market to collapse. I think if you're going to get short, the last attempt was around here. Then either you scalp out or get trapped. So that's okay. If you took that, you just buy back your shorts like the rest of the bears. Bears bought back their shorts. Bulls buy the breakout. That creates a breakout above the higher time frame EMA. So let's go over some gaps and measure moves and call it a day. It's Friday. I'd be surprised if any of you are watching it. Video came out a little bit late. So we have 2-bar breakout right here. No gap was produced. Oh, we're doing gaps before measurements. So no gaps in this rally, pretty weak. We have a gap here, but it starts with a bear bar, so that's not the best. We want to see bull, bull, bull for a bull trend. So yeah, these bears got 3 bars and then a gap. So this gap is stronger than this gap for the bears. And this gap gets tested twice, here and here, and ends up being a better sell. And then breaks out whatever bar number this was. Bad follow through, but then also bad for the bulls because they've had multiple pushes up. So rally 1, rally 2, rally 3, rally 4. Sells off, resetting the market cycle. Could say it resets here, could say it resets here. I think in the breakdown I said it reset right here, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. Could say it resets with breaking out below the EMA, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. What matters is you recognizing there's a bottoming pattern happening into support. So that's important. Then we have another bear gap down here. Not a climactic. It is a climactic gap because obviously it rallied, but you know, a climactic gap, we want to see a big gap with a big bar. So we have a big bar, but it's a small gap that gets closed right away. And then this, so we're trading range behavior all right here. So trading range behavior. And then these 2 gaps this one gap gets closed. Excuse me. This gap gets closed. This gap gets tested, and then it rallies. Look at this bull rally. The bars aren't orderly, so it's not the best, but there's 2 gaps. Most of the bull bars are closing on their midpoint or high, and there's a shallow pullback, rally, pullback. Now this bar looks like a climactic gap because it's big. The bar is big and the gap is big, and it's happening with the best looking bull bar. So this bull bar kind of looks like that bull bar. Here's the measured moves. Shallow pullback, so you put it here, put it there. You know, the measured moves are just designed to keep you in line with the current momentum. You could do measured moves from yesterday. There's all types of measured moves. I do 2, 3-bar measured moves. Then I put them below the pullbacks. So that measured move was hit on this leg. And we know this measured move wasn't hit There's really no real entry. I mean, if you bought here, I think you'd be buying with a limit order. You're buying where Chat Bears got short here and they're trapped on 10. So you're buying Bear short here, Bear short here. They get out their original entry. When they buy back shorts, you have a limit order set there. Limit orders are bad, or where bad market order breakouts are. So this is a bad place for the Bears to be breaking out. So that makes it a good limit order. This is a bad place for the Bears to be breaking out. So it makes it a good limit order long. This swing high was a bad breakout. You could have a limit order set at the high of this bar or 50% here. This was a bad breakout for the Bulls, so that a limit order can go there. And actually, if you had a limit order set there, you would make a scalp. I'll be going in over all that type of stuff within the membership videos about limit orders and how to find breakout points, and pretty excited because I've been wanting to do in-depth videos, but I've been feeling weird about some of the things I learned, if it's acceptable to be just posting it on YouTube. So it'll accompany these breakdowns really well, I think. Here's a breakout, measure move here that was met. And yeah, okay guys, so hope you had a good weekend. I mean, I guess you guys, the weekend is just starting. I don't know when you're watching this. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Be safe. If you learned something, share the show. I'd really appreciate it. And have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you on Monday, and I will be live streaming on Monday. So yeah, I'll be voicing all that good stuff. Talk to you then. Bye.